and welcome back. Today, we are practicing slow and simple English together. The topic today is my morning routine. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes. I turn off my alarm. Then I get up. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Next, I brush my teeth. I brush for 2 minutes. Then I look in the mirror. I comb my wavy hair. It is a little messy in the morning. Now it looks neat. I smile at myself. A good morning smile. Now I get dressed. I choose a blue hoodie. Blue is my favorite color. Now I am ready. I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I boil water for tea. I make crispy toast with butter. I sit down and eat my toast. I drink my tea. Then I pack my bag. I check the weather. Today it is sunny. No rain. I lock the door and start my day. This is my morning routine. Come back tomorrow for more slow English practice with Bezzy. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up in the morning? See you tomorrow. Goodbye.